Ever wake up with a million tabs open, a sticky note forest on your desk, and a nagging feeling you're forgetting something critical? We've all been there, drowning in tasks, deadlines looming, and the constant tug-of-war between feeling productive and utterly paralyzed by the sheer volume of work. There's a better way. What if there was a tool that could streamline your workflow, centralize your projects, and keep your team on the same page? Enter Asana, a project management software designed to bring order to the chaos. But what exactly is Asana used for? Buckle up, because in this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Asana, exploring its functionalities, benefits, and how it can transform your approach to work. From personal productivity to team collaboration, let's start with the basics. Asana can be your personal command center, the digital hub where you capture all your tasks, ideas, and to-dos. Need to remember to call the plumber, brainstorm content for your blog, or finally tackle that mountain of emails? Asana lets you create tasks, set due dates, and add detailed descriptions. But Asana's power truly shines when it comes to team collaboration. Imagine a world where everyone on your team sees the same project roadmap, knows who's working on what, and can easily communicate updates. Asana makes this a reality. You can assign tasks to specific team members, set dependencies between tasks, and track progress in real time. Discussions within tasks allow for seamless communication, eliminating the need for endless email chains or confusing back-and-forth messages. Organization like never before. Asana goes beyond simple task management. It offers robust organizational features that keep you on top of even the most complex projects. Break down large projects into manageable subtasks, prioritize tasks with custom fields, and categorize projects by department, client, or any other relevant criteria. Tired of sifting through endless lists? Asana's powerful search and filtering capabilities allow you to find exactly what you need instantly. Need a quick status update from your marketing team? Filter by project and see all their tasks at a glance. Boosting productivity with powerful features. Asana understands that staying on top of your workload isn't just about organization. It's about maximizing your efficiency and focus. Asana's built-in features are designed to keep you productive and prevent distractions. Set custom notifications to stay informed about important updates. Utilize the calendar view to visualize your deadlines, and leverage integrations with other productivity tools like Slack and Google Drive to streamline your workflow. Unleash the power of automation. Take your productivity to the next level with Asana's automation capabilities. Set rules that automatically assign tasks based on criteria, remove completed tasks from your board, or trigger notifications when deadlines approach. This frees you from repetitive tasks and allows you to focus on higher-level work. Tailored for your needs. Asana is incredibly versatile and can be adapted to fit the specific needs of your team or organization. Whether you're a small startup, a large corporation, or a freelance creative, Asana offers customizable features and views that cater to your unique workflow. Beyond the basics, advanced uses for power users. Asana has a hidden depth that caters to even the most demanding users. Explore features like portfolio views that offer a high-level overview of multiple projects, create custom forms to streamline data collection, and utilize advanced reporting tools to analyze team performance and project progress. Is Asana right for you? Asana is an excellent choice for individuals and teams looking to improve their productivity, streamline collaboration, and achieve their goals with greater efficiency. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects or a large organization navigating complex workflows, Asana can be your secret weapon for bringing order to the chaos. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.